You do not usually need a bonding agent before sealing a properly prepared crack in concrete. If the crack is clean, dry, and free of dust, loose particles, oil, and efflorescence, most high-quality sealants will adhere without a separate bonding agent. Start by widening and undercutting hairline cracks slightly with a cold chisel or diamond blade to create a clean profile that gives the sealant something to key into. Remove all debris with a stiff brush and compressed air or a wet vacuum, then allow the concrete to dry completely before applying primer or sealant. For very smooth or polished concrete, use a manufacturer-recommended bonding primer applied with a lint-free cloth or brush and allowed to flash according to the product data sheet. This step increases mechanical and chemical adhesion on surfaces that otherwise repel sealant. When using two-part or epoxy-based fillers, mix exactly to the ratios specified and apply within the working time to prevent weak cure at the interface. Always tool the sealant to force contact with the crack sides and to eliminate voids, and allow the full cure time before subjecting the repair to traffic or moisture. Common mistakes include skipping surface prep, which leaves dust and contaminants that prevent adhesion. The fix is to clean aggressively and confirm dryness before application. A second issue is using the wrong product for the joint movement or width. Choose a sealant rated for the expected expansion and contraction, and maintain the proper sealant depth by using backing rod to control joint geometry. A third problem is applying sealant to damp concrete or during imminent rain, which can trap moisture and cause adhesion failure. Wait for a full dry window and follow product cure conditions. Or use a moisture-tolerant formulation if immediate application is unavoidable. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and compare project approaches related to concrete repairs and sealants. We also help contractors find job leads and join our discussion community so both sides can ask questions, share photos, and learn practical tips from peers.